Today I'm going to teach you how to use the Preflight tool in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC to fix PDF UA issues. This is incredibly useful when you need to ensure your PDFs meet universal accessibility standards, making them readable for everyone, including those using assistive technologies. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to Recent Files and select the PDF file you want to work with. This should be the document you need to check and fix for PDF UA compliance. Now, look at the upper left toolbar and navigate to All Tools. You'll see a View More option. Go ahead and click it to expand your tool selection. This will reveal additional features that aren't immediately visible in the default view. Scroll down through the available tools until you find Use Print Production and click on it. This opens up a suite of advanced PDF editing and verification tools designed for professional document preparation. In the left sidebar that appears, click on Preflight. The Preflight tool is your go-to feature for identifying and fixing various PDF standards and compliance issues. It's a powerful diagnostic tool that can detect problems you might not notice otherwise. Next, click the drop-down menu at the top, then select Acrobat Pro DC 2015 Profiles. This gives you access to specific profile sets that contain predefined checks and fixes for different PDF standards. You'll notice a wrench icon near the top. Click on it to access the profile customization options. Right beside the wrench icon, there's a search bar. Go ahead and type PDF/UA into this search field. This will filter the results to show only the profiles related to PDF Universal Accessibility Standards. From the filtered results, click Set PDF/UA-1 entry. This profile is specifically designed to identify and correct issues that prevent your PDF from meeting PDF UA compliance requirements. Now click Fix. This initiates the repair process, and Adobe will begin analyzing your document and applying the necessary corrections automatically. A dialog box will appear asking you to select the folder where you want to save the corrected file. Choose your preferred location, and if needed, rename the file to distinguish it from the original. This is helpful for keeping track of different versions. Once you've chosen your location and file name, click Save. After clicking Save, wait for a few seconds while Adobe generates the fixed PDF file. The processing time depends on the size and complexity of your document, so be patient while the tool does its work. And that's it. You've successfully used the Preflight tool to fix PDF UA issues in your document, making it more accessible and compliant with universal accessibility standards. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.